Hi, this is Quinn at Kaizink with a quick improvement. So this is the design whip, and if you look up here, there's no way to search customers. Sometimes sales will reference previous orders so that we're picking up art or if we're making changes to it. But if we are picking up and making a change to it, sometimes it's not referenced exactly what product it is, or if sales knows we've done it in the past but they can't find it in the previous orders. There's no way to easily search that in here. There's this search feature, but it only shows you products when you search it rather than orders as a whole. And you can't see very much of the name when you search them. So what I've done is I've pinned a tab up here that's in our order search in our sales whip. So that way I can search based off of description, or if I have the invoice number or the company name, then I can find it that way so that I can cross-reference old jobs to make sure that they're being produced the same this time around.